Tank Engine and Friends Stories. The Great Western Way. So, how was your day? How was your day, regular Percy? It was great. Well, you know about the Great Western Way, huh? I know the Great Western Way, but why are you speaking like that? You know that I'm pretending that I am dark. So, I always know the Great Western Way. Oh, not this again. I crashed somehow into a barber shop. Okay, can you be quiet? I'm trying to sleep. You can't do this. You're the very, very old legend. I can pull coaches. Oh, this is going to get worse. Ah! Thomas the Tank Engine Stories.